Well, hello everyone! Do you like eating lots of vegetables? Well, I do. I would love to share with you this wonderful recipe where we can enjoy lots of vegetables, especially in summertime, as a meal or snack or whichever you choose to. So please stick around and let's find out. Okay, let's cook some fresh shrimps seasoned with pink salt, fresh crushed garlic, and some white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, then you can use black pepper. Once the shrimp is cooled off, let's cut them in half. Well, you might say, why half? Well, the reason I'm cutting this in half is to make it prettier and less bulky when I roll it in a rice paper. If we use the whole shrimp, somehow they tend to look a little bit bulky to me. But of course, you can use the whole shrimp however you wish to use. And now let's marinate some chicken, which is everyone's favorite. This is truly a foolproof seasoning. Even if you don't know how to marinate, follow my exact recipe and you will thank me later. The seasoning that I use is so simple, yet most savory flavor. I will put a recipe information down below. It's time to cut some vegetables. Let's start with some carrots, red bell pepper, red cabbage, and some red radish. Now keep in mind you may substitute any other vegetables of your choice. I just like to use these. Wow, look how fresh and beautiful they are. I can munch all day. Now the chickens are ready. Oh my, they came out so beautiful. Do you see those golden color? I can literally smell the savory flavor. I bake them in the air fryer, but we can cook them in a regular oven as well. Wow, this can be a meal by itself, don't you think? Now plate them together with the shrimp. This will be ready to be used as a filling. Now all the fillings preparations are done. We have some chickens and shrimps and vegetables. I also have parsley, cilantro, some fresh sprouts, and some green leaf lettuce. Now let's prepare some thin rice noodle. The packet instruction says 2 minutes in cold water, but I actually use a lukewarm water to speed things up. After giving a good stir, rinse them well and set aside. This is totally optional, but I like to use this thin rice noodle as an additional fillings to a wonderful summer roll. Now let's prepare some dipping sauce. So the ratio will be 1 tablespoon of peanut butter with a half tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Mix them well, but if you're allergic to peanut, you may substitute with almonds or other nuts of your choice. Now let's go ahead and sprinkle some crushed peanuts. Now let's prepare sweet chili sauce. This sauce is very tangy yet sweet and savory, which is perfect for the summer roll. Now let's get our rice paper ready. They're available in both round or square. Please follow the instruction on the back of the package for how to use the rice paper. Let me show you how thin they are. Do you see my hands? They're very translucent. This is how thin they are. Now we're going to dunk it in the water all the way. Shake off any excess water and they're ready to use. So guys, this is the most fun part that I want to share with you. We'll start out with a bed of lettuce and all the toppings, carrots, sprouts, relish, cabbage and red bell pepper, and some shrimp. I'll have some rice noodle, parsley, and I'm ready to roll. Now even though they're very thin, they're actually strong enough to hold all their fillings. So don't be afraid to roll them very tight. If not, they won't come out as pretty as you want it to be. Wow, look at that, how pretty they are. Isn't it gorgeous? Next roll is avocado, which is one of my favorite. Again, let's put all the fillings, but this one can be very tricky because avocados are very soft. But we'll make it through. Now when we roll this one, we have to be very, very gentle so that avocados are in the right position. Otherwise, it won't come out as pretty as you want it to be. Roll it very, very gently. Now that's not too bad, is it? This one is chicken, which is everyone's favorite. Just add all your favorite toppings and let's roll it again. Look how beautiful they are. So here we have some mushroom rolls. And for those who like veggies only, we have vegetable rolls. Of course, we also have one of my favorite, which is avocado roll. Wow, they look so pretty. Now it's time to enjoy these beautiful summer rolls. Please enjoy with this dipping sauce. They're great for snack or as a light meal. So which one is your favorite summer rolls? I would love to hear from you. Is it a shrimp, chicken, or avocado? Or is it an all vegetable? Please let me know your favorites on the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you're here for the first time, so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on my next video. Again, thank you so much, and please stay safe and be well. See you next time. Goodbye.